I want to show you how I get a couple of hundred subscribers to my newsletter for free every single day. So this is just one of the methods, but it works really well and it's very cost effective. You can see here, this is a post from yesterday on my Twitter, basically saying I have a free guide and I will give you the guide if you reply the word bootstrap. What happens is somebody will reply that word and they'll get sent this message which will send them off to collect the free guide. This particular post, which I put out yesterday, had 500 people come along and say, yes, I want this. Once they're sent the message, they are sent to a website, and on this website they're able to claim the free guide that I promised them in the initial post, and they're subscribed to my newsletter. So this particular post from yesterday did quite well. It's not really remarkable. It had 50,000 views and 500 people saying yes, they want a copy of the lead magnet. Here's the thing though, I run one of these posts every single day. This, by the way, is a really good reason to follow me on Twitter if you're not already, because you can claim these guides, which are normally worth $20 for free. So off the back of a post like this is 500 people asking for it. Maybe 200 or 250 of them will get my message and go straight to my page and subscribe. It's not going to be 100%, but that's still enough to get a couple of hundred subscribers a day for free. It's all automatic as well, so I just load up a message and anyone who comments that particular keyword gets sent everything automatically. One really cool extra thing is because I use Beehive for my newsletter, when somebody fills in their email address here, they're also given an option to subscribe to other newsletters. If they do, I get $1 roughly per newsletter. And one more thing, when somebody signs up, they are sent to a thank you page which allows them to buy something. It's a $20 product and I normally get about $100 to $200 of sales per day from this as well. So there's a bunch of things going on here, just to unpack it because it's quite complex. The initial Twitter post will gain me a couple of hundred followers on Twitter. It will also gain me 100 or 200 subscribers for my newsletter. When they sign up for the newsletter, I also get about $1.20 per subscriber. So that's another $50 to $150 per day. It depends. And they're sent through to an upsell page which offers them something for $20 immediately, a tripwire if they fancy it, and that is again $100 to $200 per day. So the DM giveaways end up costing me very little to put up. I use a tool called Typefully, which I think is $100 a month, I'm not even sure. But each one of these posts that I put up every single day with a different lead magnet nets around $300 to $500 and gives me 100 or 200 subscribers, which I can monetize later. In short, it's a really powerful way to grow your audience, get people onto your newsletter, and generate revenue all at the same time. One thing though is you need to have a lot of genuinely valuable lead magnets for this to work. A lead magnet is something that you're going to give away in exchange for somebody's email, and you need to make sure that what you're giving away is actually worth it. So the things that I give away are guides, and they're about 5,000 words long each. They are serious bits of writing with diagrams, with prompts, something that's actually going to be useful for people. If you just get ChatGPT to throw together a crappy little checklist, then people are not going to want it. So that's the main barrier here. You actually have to create a lead magnet, something of value that people will want. Once you do that though, use DM giveaways and the rest of these steps that I've just outlined in order to generate leads, generate revenue, and get subscribers to your newsletter all at the same time.